Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the TROY token. Now the TROY token just got listed yesterday on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the TROY token. So TROY yesterday just got listed on a central exchange. November 25th it got listed. Today's the 26th. It got listed yesterday on Hotbit Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search TROY, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you would simply just buy the token. But the cool thing about Hotbit is that it has investing strategies on Hotbit where you can put your tokens in DeFi farm pools, lockups, stake them. There's all sorts of different ways that you can earn really high APY, which is like interest on your tokens on Hotbit. So definitely check out that Hotbit referral code. That's where you can get this token. And yeah, it's a pretty cool exchange. So on Hotbit's Twitter here, it has an announcement, and it says that their official Twitter here is @TROYTrade. So if you want to find more information, you head over to TROYTrade. On their announcement page here, it says this token is an ERC20 token. There is a total supply of 10 trillion TROY tokens. Their official webpage is troytrade.com. They have a full white paper. They have an Etherscan on here. Telegram group. You can find their Telegram at TROYTrade_official. Their white paper is 19 pages long. So it says, TROY redefine trading beyond exchange. The absence of prime broker. As the market cap of cryptocurrencies exceed $300 billion, the entire liquidity structure is still highly segmented across top 10 crypto exchanges. 28% of professionals contribute over 74% of trading volume. The absence of prime brokers leads to inefficiency of settlement and exposure to account management risks. They have an all-star founding team. It says, our leadership has global experience from Credit Suisse, Citigroup, Hubi, KCEX, MIT. TROY utilizes intellectual capital and keeps outperforming in all aspects of competition. The gene of pursuing excellence empowers the creation of this killer technology platform. It's got mapping a complex crypto landscape, so the expert TROY team are some of the largest altcoin market makers globally. We have provided a breadth of trading services to over 80 clients. By always standing on the forefront of trading, TROY has identified significant pain points and dynamically taken advantage of the changing market conditions. Remarkable user growth and operational data. The beta version of TROY has connected over 30 global leading exchanges and achieved over $100 million max daily trading volume. The enthusiasm of the seed institution gives users strong confidence and promising potential of exponential user growth. So TROY positioning statement here, it says, TROY Trade is a global prime broker specialized in crypto trading and asset management. We provide crypto brokerage services for institutional clients and professional traders with revolutionary products including spot and margin trading, derivatives, data, custody, lending, and staking all in one account. So they have all sorts of graphs that you could check out on their page, on their white paper, comparing them to like Robinhood, Interactive Brokers, Charles Schwab, all that type of stuff. So Troy Trade provides revolutionary trading tools and prime brokerage services to professional investors in the crypto industry. They have master-level trading platforms. One account with single interface enables full access to aggregated liquidity of all crypto exchanges. Some key functions include smart order routing, flexible account management, settlement service, and automatic risk control. They also have diversified brokerage services, so competitive fee rates and superior order execution speed, real-time fund transfer and settlement services, provide margin trading and over-the-counter services with advanced convenience. Also sophisticated data analysis, empowering customers' decision-making with a sophisticated framework of data matrix, including blockchain data, trading data, market data, social data, and media data optimized by artificial intelligence and quantitative models. And lastly, a full-stack quantitative solution. So infrastructure powered by co-location service to better the performance of high-frequency trading algorithms. They offer the best-in-class exposures to quantitative solutions with straight-through processing, precise tick historical data, and strategic assessment systems. So some of the products here, they have a trading tool which offers flexible account management, smart order routing, automatic trading algorithm, institutional asset management, and automatic risk control. They also have data dynamics, which is market data, trading data, on-chain data, community data, and media data. They have brokerage solutions, which offer aggregated liquidity, margin trading, over-the-counter service, cross-chain, cross-exchange settlement, competitive fee rates, and lastly, quantitative strategies, which offer a backtrace system, tick historical data, strategic assessment system, co-location service, and straight-through processing. So they have a roadmap on here. They're starting with the Troy 1.0 release, then portfolio risk management, then contract trading, then data strategy, broker-dealer license, brokerage SaaS platform, and then the Troy network. Team and advisors are all listed on their paper here. They also have strategic investors, media outlets here, and then all of their socials that you can find on here. Now, lastly, let's have a look here at their Etherscan, and it says they have 1,820 holders so far, 8,867 transfers, and 18 decimal places on this token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Hotbit one where this token just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace!